So you want to get into commercial work. That's for battery acid, by the way. One thing about commercial work is it'd be a day like today where you might have already seen my video where I'm doing commercial properties and aerations. Well, these commercial properties usually have crap all in them that you cannot find. So you think you're done for today, you come home and you remember those couple of rocks that you hit, so you figure, let me change the blades before tomorrow. Thank God, because these blades they fit the jacked up description. This one ain't too bad, but that one's ate up all at the end. This one's ate up. It's more fabricating. More crap to do. You're tired, been a long freaking day, but as a business owner, there's nothing to do but to get her done, man. I can't sit here and cry about it the whole darn time. So, here I am thinking I'm done. I'm about to be sharpening some blades yet again. Seems like you do quite a bit of that as a lawn and landscape contractor. Like I said, you sure you want to be in the commercial game? This right here is a major pain in the behind, man. Like, you do your best to sit here and scale the property, look for everything, and then you got a fluke rock. And I'm talking about, I service many commercial properties and this happens.